Machine shutdown. When you're finished using the machine, park on level ground and lower the bucket or work tool to the ground. Put the transmission in neutral and engage the parking brake. Engage the implement hydraulic lockout switch. Let the machine idle for about 5 minutes to cool off the engine. Then stop the engine and remove the key. For more information, consult your OMM. From truck and hopper loading to material handling, CAT small wheel loaders help you get the job done right, offering productivity wherever and whenever you need it. The 924H, 924HZ, 928HZ, and 930H wheel loaders are unmatched in terms of versatility, performance, and value. And they come with the quality you expect from Caterpillar.